So hi all. When I was doing topological sorting, I couldn't find much questions on gates. So this today I was doing sorry questions on heaps. So I found out this question. So this was asked in GATE 2016. Set one question. How much marks? There. Let me check once. This was one mark question. Okay. So one. So what is that? This is the directed graph given. So what is topological sorting? How can we do that? Incoming in degree when it's 0, we can delete that edge and then move on. So we have. I hope you have watched topological sorting video. Then only you can understand this. Please go and watch that topological sorting and then come back to this video. Okay. So now let's see this. This is a directed graph given A, B, C, F, then D, E, and F. Number of different topological sorting or ordering, topological ordering of the vertices of the given graph is. This is a basically NAT question. You have to put answer from the keyboard or virtual keyboard. So how we can do? We can first we have to delete this A. Okay. So then we got two chances. Either we have to take B or D. So if we take B, let's say if we take B, then we have to take C only. Then C from this part we can take C and we can take D also. Then C like this. I will show you. I have already made that tree so that you will be able to recollect here easily. So here if A should be the first element to be deleted. So now A is deleted. Then B and D. B and D can come. Okay, so in any order B or D can come. So let's say B is in our B is deleted. So these two are deleted. These two are deleted. Then either D or C. Anything can come. So C and D. Let's say C is coming. So these three are deleted. Okay, so D is there and so we are taking this part. Okay. First is we are taking this part. So D is C is deleted, but D is here. So we have only one option. We have to delete F only. C D E F. I think F. F E. Sorry. I think it's F E. Oh, sorry. As a misplaced. So A, B, C, these are deleted. Then we cannot delete F. We have to delete D only. The only option we because F is depending on E and E is depending on D. So D we have to delete. So D is deleted. All these are deleted. Then E, then F. F cannot come in front of E because F is depending on E. So this part we have checked. So now next is A, B and D. These three are deleted. Anyone can come. C and E, anything can come. So let's say C is deleted. So now we have to delete E because F is depending on E. So this part is also we have checked. So now next is A, B, D. This is deleted. Now E is deleted. So now we can see C can be deleted first because F is depending on C. C, all these are deleted. So now we have to delete C only because F is depending on C. So this is also done. So now next is B is not deleted. Let's say because we can delete B or D either after E. So let's say these two are deleted. A and B are deleted. So now next is we can delete B or some B or E. Okay. So let's say if we delete B. So these three done deleted. So now we can take both the parts. We can take C. This three, A, B, this. C. We can take the part C. I'm talking about this. Okay. C. Let's say all these are deleted. So now we have only one option. We have to delete E only. Then F can be deleted. This is also done. Now next A, B and E. A, B, oh sorry, A, D, A, D, B and E. These are deleted. Then we have to delete C and then F only. This is another. Now next A, B, E. All these are deleted. No, A, D, E. These three are deleted. Next is we have to delete B, then C, and then F only. So in this way, it is better to do it in a what to say this tree kind of way. In probability we'll see in tree kind of way we will be able to do the probabilities faster. So when in one of my interviews, I had got a PhD interview. They asked me, I drew the tree first, and that's why I could answer it properly. So I will suggest you do it this tree way. So it will be, see, it is a tricky way because if you just draw A is written like this, you can get different answers. So it should be the correct answer, right? So that's why, and then only you can get the full marks here. So six ways we can do. So one, two, three, four, five, six. Six ways. Okay. So it's better to do it in a tree way than to write manually, thinking and doing manually. So I will suggest you to do it in a tree way, and then in that way you will get the correct answer. So how you can do? So let's say A is the first, then either B, then D can come. So let's say B. After B, what can come? C can come, D can come. Like this. Like this I drew the tree. Okay. After C, only F cannot come because E has to be done first. Then only F can come. Let's say A, B and D are taken. So all these are taken. So these two can come. So C, then E. Now they take this part. A, B, D, C. A, B, D, C are deleted. Then only we can say E is deleted. Then F is deleted. So like this you can do the other parts. Okay, so I just did this first so that it is a bit easier and you can understand it properly. Okay, so I have also told you how to draw this tree kind of structure. But actually the name I forgot. It's a tree kind of structure, so I call it just tree. So that is not important. You have to do it correct. That is most important. So I hope you have understood. Like this, if I find some questions interesting or tricky question, I will add to the playlist. So please subscribe to my channel. I forgot to tell this. So please subscribe to my channel if you love watching my videos. So bye.